Alright, for this week we'll be working on some more identities. This time it's sum and difference identities. Go ahead and copy these two down and pause the video. Okay. So there are going to be problems where you'll be asked to evaluate things such as cosine of 75. So we can split that up into fractions that we know well. So for number one, so here would be your two answers. What's happening here is cosine of 30 plus 45. That gets split into cosine of 30, cosine of 45, minus sine of 30, sine of 45. So that would be square root 30 over 2 times square root 2 over 2 minus 1/2 square root 2 over 2. We get square root 6 minus square root 2 over 4, which then equals 0.26. For the next one, 50 minus 32, neither of those are nice numbers that we can work with, so you can just then use your calculator to break that up. So then we have our sum and difference identities for sine. You can copy those down as well. So similar to the other ones we just did, sine of 45 plus sine of 45 would get us 1, and then for the second one, we'd get 0.99. For the first one, that splits up into sine of 45, cosine of 45, plus cosine of 45, sine of 45, which would be square root 2 over 2, square root 2 over 2, so it gets you 2/4 plus 2/4 equals 1. For this one, you'd split it up and just type it into your calculator to get that. Then for tangent, it's a little bit more complex, and you can work these out by using your sine and cosine sum and difference identities, but here we have it for the sum of tangent and then the difference of tangent. You'll notice the really the main differences here is just signs. This has a plus on top and a minus. This has a minus on top and a plus. So go ahead and test these out. Doing tan of 45 plus 30, make sure you get 3.73 and 0.42. For the first one, how that would split up would be tangent of 45 plus tangent of 30 over 1 minus tangent 45 tangent of 30. And then plug your values in to simplify all the way down to 3.73.